Today's lesson is on subtracting mixed numbers. Here's the problem of 2 3/4 minus 1 1/4. This problem is just like adding with mixed numbers, except we're subtracting, and we need to follow the same steps. The first thing to check is the denominators. I see we have common denominators, so all we need to do is subtract the fractional parts and subtract the whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3/4 minus 1/4 is 2/4. The last step is to check to see if it is simplified. 2/4, I know I can simplify both of those numbers by 2, so I can think divide by 2, divide by 2. Don't forget to bring your whole number over. So we have 1 and 1/2. However, sometimes you need to regroup before we subtract. For example, if I take 30 minus 11, I need to regroup from the tens place before I can subtract. With fractions, we may also have to regroup before subtracting. So review your worksheets that we did the regrouping with and review your notes. We're going to practice it with these problems. Here we have 1 1/4, and we need to subtract 3/4. Let me show you with a picture. Here's our 1 1/4. I want to subtract 3/4, and the problem is I don't have 3/4 to subtract. So I need to trade and change this into fourths. So instead of having 1 1/4, I'm going to cross out the 1 and change that to 4/4 because that still equals 1. I'm going to circle it to remember to add it together, and now I have 5/4. Now I can subtract 3/4. Here's 1, 2, 3. Let me write that down. And I have 2/4 left. The 2/4 that I have left is able to be simplified. So let me rotate this, and I see that 2/4 can change to 1/2. We do that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2. Let's try another one. This is 3 1/6 minus 5/6. 1, 2, 3, and 1/6. I don't have 5/6, so I have to take one of the wholes, change it to 6/6, that one up there. So now I don't have 3 1/6, I have 2 6/6, the white and this one right here, that whole, plus the 1/6 to equal 2 7/6. So let me rewrite that problem down here. 2 7/6 minus 5/6. Okay, so I'm going to take away 5/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end up with 2 2/6. I notice that 2/6, both of those numbers are even, so I could trade it in to 1/3. And what I did was divide by 2, so it equals, I'm running out of room, sorry, 2 1/3. Here are the different procedure in order to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping. Pause the video and write these down. This will help you when you don't have the examples exactly in front of you. You can go by the steps. Here are 3 problems that I'd like you to try before you come back to class. If you need to draw the shapes to help you, please do. Otherwise, please show me the regrouping and the final answer in simplest form. Have a great day.